Welcome to Mail Backup X. Know how to backup Thunderbird mails to Google Drive, Dropbox and Microsoft OneDrive. Here is step-by-step guide on backing up Thunderbird mail to Google Drive, Dropbox and Microsoft OneDrive. Step 1. Please download and install the Mail Backup X application on your Mac. Click it here to install Mail Backup X. www.mailbackupx.com/how-to-backup-thunderbird-mails-on-mac/. Step 2. Launch Mail Backup X from the Applications Quick Launch menu. Step 3. You may start the fully functional trial run for 15 days. Step 4. You may choose to set up a new backup profile from the dashboard by choosing option, Set up a new backup. You may click My Backup Profiles on the left sidebar in Dashboard and click, Set up a new backup profile. Step 5. You will be presented options of mail clients. Choose Mozilla Thunderbird Mac from the list of mail clients and proceed to next step. Step 6. You will be presented with folder structure from Mozilla Thunderbird to choose for backup on your Mac. Please click Continue to proceed to next step. Step 7. Now you are presented with advanced options like setting. You can set the location of backup to local disk drive or cloud service by authenticating and adding cloud space. At present, Google Drive, Dropbox and Microsoft OneDrive are supported. Step 8. Backup profile is set up and now your emails should have started to back up as per the options and settings you selected during the previous steps. Choose a license that suits your need to proceed. Mail Backup X for single user. Team Edition for 5 users. Team Edition for 20 users. Team Edition for 30 users. Visit mailbackupx.com. Subscribe Mail Backup X. Thanks for watching.